before you blame your PC for low FPS and slow apps, watch this. There is a hidden Windows setting that secretly uses your internet, runs in the background, and can slow down your entire computer, even when you're not doing anything. And the crazy part? It's enabled by default on every Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how to turn it off in less than 60 seconds. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the left side, click Windows Update, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find Delivery Optimization and open it. Now here's what this feature actually does. Windows uses a peer-to-peer system similar to torrents. Your PC downloads update files, then uploads them to other computers on the internet. Yes, your computer becomes a mini server for Microsoft. That means your bandwidth gets used in the background. At the top, you'll see Allow downloads from other devices. If it's turned on, switch it off. And just like that, your PC stops sharing your internet with the rest of the world. But don't skip this last step. Go back to the Windows Update page and click Check for updates to make sure everything stays secure and up to date. Done. One simple setting, and your PC can feel faster and use less data. If this tip helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more simple Windows tricks.